Hey guys, another night. That means another night of repairs on this amazing machine. I'll show you real quick what we're doing tonight, and let's get some progress on this machine. Amazing machine. I got this engine bay kind of covered up because as it sits I don't want this thing to get even more dusty, but tonight we're changing the sway bar links and bushings. Yeah, so these are the sway bar bushings. They are genuine Mercedes ones, part number, and these are the sway bar links we're going to be changing. And also I got some really nice front fender liners that we're going to be changing as well. These ones are in a little bit bad shape, so we're going to change them and install these nice ones. So here's our problem right here. It's broken this. So this is some places where it's just cracked up and in bad shape. So good idea to change this. And then also changing these stabilizer links right there. It's all cracked up, and this one, some of these cables are also loose, which is not good, but I'm gonna fix that. But this stabilizer link right here is also not doing good. It's all cracked up, the boots and all that, so good idea to change that. And this control arm will have to be changed. These bushings are cut, bolt is torn. It's sad, but it is what it is. Brakes are good though. Tie rods are good, no good, don't have to be changed. Shocks are so-so. The ball joints are changed. So good. The ball joints. Finishing up installing this new good used part, fender liner. Everything is intact here. Just gotta finish installing all the screws and nuts. There's no tension on the ABS wire or anything, and this brake hose will be replaced. It doesn't matter too much. put silicone paste on these boots to keep these boots for, from cracking and going bad. Silicone paste will preserve them for a long time. It will I added silicone paste to the ball joint. The ball joint is still good, so I want to preserve that. We got the stabilizer link all installed as well. So we're done on this side. Let's move on to the next side. Added this zip tie to hold this ABS slash breakaway sensor wire in place. The clip is broken, so now it's good. So everything looks here.